Welcome back to Machines Inc. And today we're building a tube bumper for this Tacoma. So the guy that I'm building this for is pretty cool and kind of gave me free reign to really build whatever I want. So we're going to do him just a tube style bumper with a winch on there, some recovery points. I'm excited to see how this thing turns out. Now to start off, the first thing we need to do is fix the factory mounting points. So where the factory bumper mounts, it's not super strong, it's pretty thin sheet metal. And those, I would be fine just mounting a bumper to that, but winching and recovering, not so much. So first thing we're going to do is cut the front of this frame off. We're going to plate it in, and then we'll be able to mount our new bumper to that fresh plate. Now, it's the little things like that you don't think about that take a lot of time. So for instance, I'll show you guys. So here is these plates that are going to mount on the front of the frame. They're still pretty hot, but just to make these little plates and to weld some nuts to the back of them, to go on the front of the frame on each side, that took about an hour. So even using the plasma cutter and some quicker tools to cut the old section off, grind that smooth, and make these new plates was about an hour. So it definitely adds up. But we're gonna go ahead and tack these on, and then we can get to the fun part of actually setting this whole bumper up. Alright, so we got these two frame side brackets done, so these just mount to the factory points. So these guys just slide up on here like a glove. And now we're going to mount these and then put a tube from the center across. All right, well, it's a new day. We've been cranking, making some progress. I can see how dirty my face is right now. But we got kind of the main hoop here that mounts to the frame. I got the winch plate on there, winch is sitting, and everything's just kind of tacked up. So now my main thing that I need to do is I need to make the main hoop that's going to go all the way around the body. That's definitely the most complex tube because it has the most bends. And my biggest problem is I only have one long tube left, so if I mess this up, kind of shit out of luck. But I got like a rough idea mapped out. I'm just going to go ahead and bend the tube. If it's bad, I can go buy some more tube, but fingers crossed we can get this first try. Alright, so fast forward a good bit and we got the majority of this bumper together. So right now it's all mocked up and just tacked up. And sorry I didn't film a lot of mocking this up, but to be honest, it's really just a lot of like measuring tape, grinder, and tacking it on. So it's not super exciting, but I'll kind of show you what we got, and then now it's time to go ahead and start welding on this thing. So now for welding on this bumper, really the number one thing we want to keep in mind is we want to weld as much of it as we can while it's bolted to the Tacoma. That's just an anchor point to prevent anything from kind of twisting and warping once it heats up and cools down. And then the second big thing is we want to weld from the mounting points out. So you want to get really nice big welds to the points where it mounts to the frame. And then you're going to slowly weld, working yourself further and further away from those mounting points. And biggest reason for that is just to prevent warpage. If you're welding something like really complex and large like a roll cage, you pretty much want to weld from the interior and work your way to the exterior. So I've already got some pretty decent welds on the frame portion, and now we're just going to start working out and just running a couple inch long sections at a time, welding half a tube at a time, not to get anything too hot. And yeah, hopefully we can finish this thing up today. So we got this bumper all buttoned up. Derek is coming over later to pick this thing up. He has not seen it yet, so fingers crossed he likes it. But like I said, he seemed easygoing. He told me to kind of do whatever I thought looked good, and I think the bumper turned out looking pretty rad. So for this bumper, it's a super lightweight tube bumper that is really high clearance on the front of this Tacoma. It's got a winch mount, which he's gonna need to trim the grill a little bit, but that makes it so high clearance, tucked up and out of the way. It doesn't have any dedicated recovery points, but there's plenty of locations on the tube that you could put a soft shackle to be able to do recoveries with. That's what I have on like my current Jeep bumper, and I really like that clean look. We added a couple tabs on there for some light pods that he had, so those will tuck up in the bumper. And then we also added a couple nuts across the bottom of the bumper that are threaded, and that way his factory skid plate bolts on now, but if he wants to buy an aftermarket skid plate, that will also be able to bolt on there later on. So you guys let me know what you think about this bumper. I think it turned out great. Definitely excited to get some more of my work out there on trucks and out there on the trails. I know this one was quick and short, but building the tube bumper, I like to see the finished product, but the work, like I said, it's a lot of cutting, grinding, nothing too exciting. But if you guys did like this one, make sure to subscribe. We got plenty more 4x4 content coming. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.